Newborn must use a baby crib like this. Like and share if you want to see more of our contents. Our baby crib features an ABS frame structure with a high quality of aluminium. The baby's bed's height can be adjusted with a gas spring. It also has a reverse trend-lumbar and a trend-lumbar function to accommodate the baby's growth. The environment is so friendly and non-toxic to provide and ensure the baby's safety during the sleep. The baby's bed is equipped with a soft and comfortable mattress. The material is dust-proof, antibacterial and easy to clean, providing a comfortable and healthy sleep environment for the baby. We also provide you with the convenient storage space at the base, allowing you to better meet your baby needs. So if you are interested in our product, please leave us a message.